No.
You're not tired?
Like he's drunk. Too much ginger ale.
Hey, Bug. Hey, Bug. You gonna make it through dinner? Are you tired?
No.
Okay. Do you want some more kielbasa? You want more? Oh, this poor child. Are you ready to get down?
Yeah. Uncle John get you out.
You want Uncle John to get you out?
Yeah?
Okay, he will.
You gonna get down?
Let me wash your hands off.
Oh, you need to wash your hands.